Good evening. Welcome to Nursing Made Easy. Nursing Made Easy is an initiative by Canadian Healthcare Academy, a nursing school, and Power Herbs Wellness Trading Corporation. Nursing Made Easy is a result of thorough research and discussion made at various levels that a nursing student need some extra help, as nursing is an intense program. Nursing Made Easy will be available to nursing students throughout the program and gonna cover various chapters and topics. Today we're gonna cover nursing math made easy. In nursing, we need to score 100% in math in order to pass the exam. You will learn a lot in math subject per se, but nursing math is a different ball game. Let's learn about nursing made easy. Let's make nursing math a favorite subject and let's score more than 100%. Today we're going to learn about fractions with an S. In fractions, you're going to learn a lot in your math class, such as proper fraction, improper fraction, complex fraction, mixed fraction, hybrid fraction, and many more. I don't want to remember all of them. What I need to remember is proper fraction. To be named as a proper fraction, you need two elements. A, it should have a numerator and denominator. B, denominator always will be greater than numerator. For example, denominator should be as a whole number and numerator is part of that whole number. That being said, 2 by 10 will be a proper fraction, whereas 20 by 10 will be an example of improper fraction but not a proper fraction. Reason being, it does not qualify to be called proper fraction as numerator has a higher value than denominator. But we're gonna stick to proper fraction. That being said, denominator has to be higher than numerator in order to be qualified to be called proper fraction. In nursing, what kind of question come across in fractions is if numerators are same or equal and denominator has a different value, which one will have a higher fraction value? The formula is, I want you to write this down. That's the formula number 1. I'm gonna teach you 24 formulas that will ensure you will never make any mistake in nursing math. But not math, nursing math. So write it down. If numerators are same or equal, in this example 1, 1, 1, and they have a different denominator such as 2, 6 and 4. So they have got 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 4. So which one has got higher fraction value? The formula is, when denominators are the same, denominator with a lower number with a smaller value will have highest fraction value. Say one more time. The formula is, when numerators are the same, then denominator with a smaller value will have a higher fraction value. In math, you can check your answer by many ways. Let's check this one answer. So 1 by 2, use your calculator, that is allowed in math exam. 1 by 2 equal to 50%. 1 by 6 equal to 16.66%. 1 by 4 equal to 25%. So we know that 50% is higher than 16 and 25%. Hence this formula is correct. The formula is, write it down. When numerator are the same value, then denominator with a smaller number will have a higher fraction value. Let's go to formula number 2. So what could be the other thing to learn in fraction is, if we have got equal number of denominator, in this example 10 is equal denominator for all three numbers, and we have got different numerators like 2, 4, 6. So let's go back to our real class. If in the class there are 3 students, one student gets 2 out of 10, another get 4 out of 10, and you get 6 out of 10, then who get the highest? It's you who got 6 out of 10. So formula is, if denominator, the whole number is constant equal, then higher number of numerator will have a higher fraction value. Let's write it down. Formula number 2. When denominators are of same value, then numerator with the highest value will have the highest fraction value. In a classroom setting, if somebody gets 2 marks out of 10, another get 4 out of 10, and you get 6 out of 10, so you are the one who got the highest number with the highest fraction value. So we covered 2 formulas. Formula 1, if numerators are the same, then denominator with the smallest value will have higher fraction value. And if denominator are the same, then the higher number of numerator will have a higher fraction value. These 2 formulas will give you anywhere from 2 to 3 questions in your math. In this chapter of fractions, one another part you need to remember, that is called whole number. W-H-O-L-E, whole number. Any number stand from 0 to 100, more than 100, 10,000, 100,000, a billion, these all are whole numbers. Whole number cannot be a negative value. There should be no decimal, no fraction. It should be anywhere from 0 to infinity number, but as a whole number. Why it is important? In math, sometimes the examiner will trick you. They're going to ask you, give your answer to the whole number. When you're doing math, you're getting an answer of 32.8. But that is not what the examiner is asking. One option will be 32.8 and another option will be 33. So the answer will be 33 in that case. Reason being, in the question you are being asked to pick whole number, not a decimal, fraction or exact number. So that being said, whole number is very important. So read your question carefully. We're gonna cover whole number in our next video. Till then, please work on these 2 formulas, formula 1, formula 2 in fractions. That's all you need to know in nursing math from fractions. This video is sponsored by Canadian Healthcare Academy and Power Herbs Wellness Training Corporation, and we wish you good luck in your journey to be a proficient nurse, and we're gonna help you with the best way possible. Thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful evening, and we'll see you next time.